Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to draw Ariel the Little Mermaid. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CC 2019. You can use other versions. It works the same. So today I'm going to create 5 layers for this image. Each of these layers represent a certain step you have to take to complete the entire image. Right now we're on step 1. Step 1 is basically just drawing the outlines, the skeleton, and the form and shape. As you can see here, I have just the outlines of Ariel the Little Mermaid. Basic outlines. No details, just draw the shape, the torso, the arms, the rectangle for the head, and that's it. That's what we do for layer 1. Now we're going to create another layer, and we're going to name it step 2. So on step 2, we're going to refine this image. We're going to erase some of the scrubbly lines, and we're going to add some muscle tissues and put some details work with the face. Now the characters really start to show. Yeah. Erase some lines that's not properly aligned. Put some detail in the face. Drawing the hair. Add the fingers to the hands. At this stage, the hands are not detailed, but that's okay. Now we'll create another layer called step 3. At step 3, we need to erase more scribbly lines and refine the form even further. Now we need to thicken the lines a little bit. Yeah, take your time. The main thing is to have your form correct. That's the most important part at this stage. Then later on, we can add in the face and all the detailed stuff. That looks good for step 3. Now let's get to step 4. Step 4 is where the Little Mermaid really starts to show. Now the lines are refined even further. At this stage, we're going to add the facial features, the eyes, the nose, and her mouth. We want to erase more of the lines, fix the positioning of the hands, and erase the unnecessary lines. Now, to draw the facial features, it's best to zoom in and then maybe pick a brush, a smaller brush, because the features are very detailed. So it's easier to draw it detailed with close up and a brush that's a little bit thinner. It will take a couple tries to make the face look properly, but that's fine. Just have patience and practice, and everything will be fine. Okay, that looks good. Now let's do the final step, step 5. This is where everything comes to place and probably take the most time. You want to refine all the lines and everything. Add more details, change more lines. Woohoo! We're finally done. It took us 5 steps to get here. Now let's review all the steps and to see how far we came. Let's make all the step layers visible. If this mouse would stop spinning and go back to the layers, please. Good. Oh, crap. Da-da, da-da-da-da-da. Okay, we finally finished all the steps. 5 steps. 5 steps. Now let's see all the steps that we took to get to the final step. Oh my goodness. Whoa. What is going on? Oh. Oh wow. First step. Just the structure. Second step. Now more detail. Add some muscles and the face start to show. Step 3, even more details. The hairs start to come alive as well. Step 4, everything is coming together nicely. The facial features, the hair, even the hands. It's a lot more detailed than the first 3 steps. And then we have step 5. Now we're going to rename it final, because that's our final step. And there we go. Our completed Ariel, the Little Mermaid. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you do, please subscribe. I will post more videos every week. And if you want to know all the tools and software I use, they will be in the description below. Thank you very much. Bye.